Hello and welcome to another fun fact learning. My name is Chonsu Lekwa, and today I want to talk to you about gender determination or sex determination in humans. We've historically heard of stories where certain kings or chiefs tend to marry several wives in their quest of looking for a male offspring. But because of genetics, we now know that the problem was not from the women, not from the wives, but from the man himself. Because the man is the major, he plays the major role in whether they have a male offspring or a female offspring. Now, this is the mechanism in sex determination in humans. Each human cell has 23 pairs of chromosomes, and that includes one pair of sex chromosomes. So for the father or the male parent, he has an X chromosome and a Y chromosome. The mother has two X chromosomes. So each X chromosome that is contributed gives a female offspring. So the mother has two X chromosomes, so she will not produce anything except a female. But the permutation comes from the father who has an X chromosome and a Y chromosome. So during meiosis, when the sex cells or the gametes split for the father, some of his sperms contain X chromosomes and some contain Y chromosomes. Whereas for the female, for the mother, in the same process, all her sex gametes, all the gametes have X chromosomes, so there's nothing to permutate in that area. So if the male releases, or if the sperm that fertilizes the egg from the father is the one that has the Y chromosome, then they get a son. But if the X chromosome from the father is what is in the sperm that fertilizes the egg of the mother, then they get a female offspring. So it depends on the father. The father is the one responsibly and solely responsible for determining the gender of the offspring and not the woman. So we must correct that and let those chiefs know. Well, we know that based upon literacy levels, those thinking, those thoughts have been eradicated largely, and we expect it to completely be erased from our communities. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen and watch this episode. Thank you and bye.